Oh, look at him swimming. Look, he goes underwater. Look at him.
Yeah.
They always say monkeys are afraid of water. Look at him, they love it. He's gonna cliff jump. He does cliff jumping.
Go.
Let's see, it's just worth coming just to see them. Whoa. This one, look at him. What the heck's going on? I'm going underwater. They look like little rats. They're so small. They wait for their coconuts. Oh, there's a war going on. You ain't getting no coconut. I'm taking the coconut. Sick of you eating all the coconuts. What'd you say? I eat whatever coconut I want.
Oh my God.